bi enu a wo ti wo wuye bi won so wa woni Ghana fo nkola akra ho daje enkola 17 na wu oba ba akoma ne yensa nobody is talking about it nobody is addressing it
akwan nya enti enkora dunsia wuye but a whole vice president Jane Naa Opoku kwatena a whole national television so ye bizane say enti vice president atese enkora dunsia accident esi ama wu ama yeye mass barrier e de ama omo ana asema wo bia na no kan ne say vice president nyawe
omane boama muchala wo mu wo nya ya nchen kola 15 no mu wo na no
enti say okai obogu accident na happen na enkura 16 ewuye e wasante achem atwede no Jane Naa Ghana vice president abegine ne so o make post bi e wo Facebook na post o make ye no Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonso Afia Schwar any Bonohene abe clàsh with Jane Naa Mahama any Ghana president Jane Naa Mahama any Ghana ministers for in fact omunyina enya mesco aha Penyah block media mesco say any demo obe like video no ada ma subscribe button so be click notification and connect latest updates na be tell why dey ama me e wo comment section mesco so basoa no achi beautiful so enya bi asho it last week Monday 28th July 2025 year and it was an accident kese bi happen e wo Asante Achema twede obogu Savior church members enkura 16 omu akọ program say omu eba emoflay omu akọ program over na on their way home no an accident happen on the highway ema enkura 16 nyina no fofia ntwata na omu nyina eto ananom ewo ensiedo ema the Thursday no kra no de kopem nyina kra bia yesie omu nyina ebuom ema enu beye arohosem kese ewo Ghana emoflay no omu emfonyini en omu din ene da me chance ohweso na working can bia no na arahosem say issue we happen ye no from there accident na happen ye to see omu wie ye enyina echi no yenya state minister bia mo na nkokuro mu ho ankomo ne abusuafo no Mahama tena parliament ene make speech keke obia ensi ho not even the gender minister your gender minister was asiwe so gender minister currency ho yenya wo in fact yenya government official bia mo na nkokuro ni mu not even the Ashanti regional minister yenya minister bia mo na nkokuro ni mu ankomone with abusuafo no obiensi kru to renchem kesi CSC obiensi ho later na Ghana France at everybody genealogies mami yase yente nenka mami oba time because ye beto abase o mami de wo ye bata yantuma no o ye bata yantuma no general be kan se mo se asem no wante ote ya enko be kọ ho akọchie abusuafo Jane Naa se wante oba tai na yeso so so ba tai o se accident we yesi all the traditional medias aka ho asem TikTok baby abefa bia na e trend even as at now it is still trending Jane Naa se wante radio station TV station bia kan ho asem Jane Naa se wante ote ya enko be kọ ho na e fancy we na Jane Naa ebe kan no eno ana Bonohene Okatakyie Afrifa mensa any Afia Schwar guys mami eti abadai na so abadai no na asie pa ene say omu abedi ne dwuma
gini madam work na no de atade o share de na come up and say said they make a muti and na no de o ko program be say minim no she green bi some co speech we gini de o yen dey house once stand sama me we gini de ayesa wo fa kodo ne konro we says I was a look at the yesterday be a congo on the base, you know. San Mami the wig, you know. Oh, wow. You were vice president, I wouldn't you do be a madam would to wait. What? Yeah, I wouldn't you we, madam, what do my ajama julo zebra? Yeah, I wouldn't you we, mammy, vice president of Dumabian who I want to woo ye be. As a vice president, you want to quite proud to talk president of Canada. Yeah, I wouldn't you we. One so a winning Ghana for call akra ho daje enkola 17 na wu oba ba akoma ne yensa wo man ko ba shawo wo man ko Ghana meet Naija o such a tragedy esi ama enkola 17 yakutu amena edwo mogu because nyansani afia me meka nyansasa Anthony Tirimuntino, Obia Kanamuatu. It has not been acknowledged anywhere. Nobody is talking about it. Nobody is addressing it. Nobody is even trying. Some investigation it never cost so that we get to the bottom of this case. No. And Kolana asa investigation man and police for a Kaskala. Ghana has turned into a republic island. Ghana adane emwobi kuro. Asa ho ye fuom. Asa eho eyenantwie fuom. That brings me to my next topic. Mama me fa we nkosi. Enkwala na wu yenko ho. Because they are broke. Because we are here for. Because I want ye. Omunya louder voice. Am I applauding mama? Every minister in Ghana should bow their head in shame. Members of parliament, you should fucking bow your head in shame. You should celebrate those 17 children. They need to be celebrated. They need to be honored. They need to be recognized. Hey, grandma. Grandma. Sawunfa with dementia dra, madam. You're fast. Grandma. Sawunfa with dementia dra. You're fast. Obian for so seven vice president. Madam. Madam. Sawu okuna and kawukunu ebe see you to this affairs. You chose this. If they were your fucking children, you will fucking care. Those children, if they were your fucking children, you will fucking care. Enough of the nonsense and the shit and all the shit. Kwala 17, you're brushing under the carpet. And to say, BBS. Tragedy, the answer said, Namoya Moa. Young Tonso.
Obogu. Cross system. Savior Church. I can't do what you cry 25 years. Yamomo mass barrier. Now, Rehona because I can't yet. MPP are buying Atia Kunyaso, Nankram Pumpunimantam Kumasa Kwano, Nieka. Contractors no more so. Yamu be a project, I will kotuku. And the time be near Fakwaneso. And the time be a Fakwanis be an contractors was so yejma. MPP free so, I was so many and so and this Yababetra Kunyaso. Say Kwanun to me faso. And to me supervise me project. Omo Yajumano, somebody miscast on by a Jumano, the Akosi Nesi. Tienkomana me no de no akwan nya enti ankora dunsia wuye ebia be human error ebia shankani na ye mistake man si ye eno so ho but a whole vice president Jane Naa Opoku the spokesperson Amaprat kwatena a whole national television so ye bizane say enti vice president atese obogu enkora dunsia accident asi amoma wu ama yeye mass barrier e de amo omo ana asema wo bia na no kan ne say vice president nyawe vice president no wonim ene e bisa am say wo na wo ye kasamafo e de ma no wo so wonte ye I say na wotwini won call TV so won call radio so enti wonim de e koso meti ya meyam hyeme
Wei.
meti ya meyam hyeme sa ye wo mampanyini John Dramani Mahama Mampaina chino yenya the vice president na be di akire sa mampaina na ntimi kura no a na be di akire ne nye mampaina refia na be di akire nkrai no na a whole vice president Jane Naa Opoku enkura dunsia e wo Ghana ya yambas barrier wo Ghana na wa for be spokesperson wo communication team office of the vice president now catch the Ghana for say wante onim enti a wantimi amma abusua ya kono a na che say mo ye insensitive government
ne ka na da hodo
John Dramani Mahama ni Jane Naa Opoku mo ye insensitive they don't respond to stimuli
hwenia kasa
sana obi o ye science be ka kire o mu ni atenka
Jane kasa.
John Mahama Jane Naa Opoku mu ni atinka.
Etumpan.
Enti wo ye Ghana ni a wo na eso mo ni da ho. And adia we ye ka ho asem ye true for Ghana for amfa. Sa aban na wo ba no obe only see violence e wo Ghana. Ni atata amanfo, yabo amanfo, yachi amanfo. Ghana for amfa. Ni ese ye pendi
Jane kasa.
Ye pese separate government.
Etumpan.
Ye pe mole fo.
Etumpan.
Ye pe mo nya doctors, professors, come make say doctors, ye professors. Ye pe kinet aban. Ye pe scammers. Ombe ye krono. Ani ye di omaba.
Jane kasa.
Enye di ebehuni.
Etumpan.
Nanka sabe Jane Naa Opoku vice president. John Dramani Mahama ne ba e ka mo mu wiye no anko be hu. Ananka wo hu. Ha? Ko be hu. E kwan no ye twa nanka wabobo ano ase kwan no etene. But e kan wabobo ano se e ma che kwan no. Anu asesem be nie.
Etumpan.
Eba 20 ne niamra sesi na wo twe si ye.
Me no, these are the achievements.
Mate, on that note, no, somewhere last week, and yet is accident see ewo Jaso Junction area honum. Benim Sawatia, Nkwara de 1 year 25 years. Diosa ewo 15 years.
Oh.
Nipa 17. Ena ewuye.
Oh.
Ewo accident nim ama. For the first time again, I'm vice president. Enra mass barrier. Ekoso ewo bogu till sakwanhye ne siye enra masbury akoso yente hwe
Inti abana enya wo a wo kan asem we hwe me
a vice president office as a mother Sunday abotre nyabotre mami land
wo ha wo kono white ro
no nyabotre mami ama me bisa wasem say nanka bibi be say wo ho ana se sinto biba senka bibi sabe ba pa tete o mo
fe se mo me number nanka bibi se si obi alert me abena ye na ye bu man yo ena minya ya nka maso wo babia meni wo babia nanso eni mienu na mewo aso mienu pe na mewo abena odwin se ye ma meti asem we ya ntinka ban na nka ntinka wonte ne nka
Insa Jane Naa Opoku the vice president the yes one tese nkura bia wu ya masbury a
Etumpan.
bia wu no Ghana ye wo no
Obi, said Dr. Mane Boa Wuya. Said you can't say Mutala Muhammad Wuya. Said Dr. Samuel Sapun Wuya. Emo Dr. Samuel Sapun. Omane Boama. Mutala. Wamu Nya Yan 10 kola 15 no mu na
16. Oh fire.
Kola 16 ewu bogu no. Wamu Nya Yan 10 wo. Wamu so ye Ghana fo. Wamu so ye nipa. Ni yatimi atena wiase. Na omanya yatim. Obi. And kola 16 ewu 16 ewu ewo bogu asanchachi mbogu obi ebesi ne yentiminya either president and now vice president e ma ne nko ho enko kan kire ma me for election year nko mbeko nakajo mama na ye busy o mame mame batan na timitina ho enko last 16 for our own negligence as a nation, our recklessness as a nation, not the two major cities of our country yentimin dualizing emma ye negligence enko last 16 ewu in a day obi yentimi anko pankola na mame no papa no acho sabre nkesa kajo mama anasa mame Drew ho power macho say as a nation we are sorry.
Exactly. So
we are sorry. See Yentimian creative rules, Papa. As a nation we are sorry. Say Yentimin dualize your road. As a nation we are sorry.
fire.
Say Yentimian trasina in a day. 16 kids. Akoya Mane Boama and the Eka Wasem. Akoya Mutala Muhammad and the Eka Wasem. Akoya Dr. Samuel Sapon ye kan wasem ekoye nkola maako maame baako yese ne yamuma be for ni nyina wi a nation could not say sorry to such people besi ne wo yentimi nya president Mahama entimi nya maame e ma ne nko boguo enko hwe manfo nanim and that is nation building. It is not all about bricks and mortar and you sit down ha yenye rose wa ha nemum sa some to manfo no how well do you connect with the people?
Exactly. So more fire.
We should bow down our heads in shame as a nation. Say it to me at now. Then call 15. Okatakyie President Mahama first term. You catch him say President Mahama on share then suye bibia. President Mahama first term near to my mua. Asante Mampong. Or baby that sorry ye. Na ni fie ashe. Ne ikunu. Ne mabe miensa. Ne kunu ne mabe. Ene onwa ne mabe ne papa. Me, some leader of the nation. I can make a show about him. If said the kind of trauma this person will live with, that person can never love our nation. To question and impanacho said the nation is sorry. See, a year fire service ye. Now to me lose who a bush in a day. That is what leadership is about. And you know, and class 16. Yenya obi amanenko obi Kumasi Accra main road ankola yi wo so enshada nyi asem enemi dani yanko ne ko hwe Kumasi Accra main road yesa betena ho ama fufura wu this time around ebia na nyankola 16 so say we yakoye on manebu ama yakoye mutala yakoye Dr. Sapon eno mo ka ho asem also moka wasem also moka wasem you Kumasi Accra main road na yenu and if a drone shot in bra for drone shot no na omo hwe de Kumasi Accra main road aye o maya yetim
a country called Ghana.
the two major cities so Afia enyi asum here ye here minister of roads and transport roads and highways e debe debe and so koye speed lane what ba kwan da wa ye nya nyiwi ompe ho asem bi ni e se we ne de agya tre ho emako awie we ne 10% ye de awie eti ne sadia koye speed lane ne anya kwan papa wie ye koye speed lane ma dwene ne ana tete sei e se speed lane no and na mbanya kakra sa atafre wo ho president bay the two major cities ovianura ye do dobro yawo a woni free dobro ba poku ase a any kwan say do 5 minutes maximum the kwan da so a edi wa 3 minutes from dobro to Pokuase we spend 1 hour 36 minutes o maya ya boba dam ni anwene manfo ne ho ya twa mo bi e wo road no so death trap obi nsu be wo so obi be wo so ana we nyame na me pebone na mom de ya ye no in this country we don't die, we kill ourselves. You creating some hunu we ombemena da hwa 2028 ya baba tuaba ansani yesi ye kwa kutwa sodo because it's not about serving the people. They make capital out of the misery of the people, and I keep telling the people and the people don't understand, and I become their enemy. I am the one that becomes their enemy. The people that are supposed to be their enemy, the people don't even understand why they are the enemy.
More fire.
Dek, Kumasi Accra main road no. You better try many pewu. Muncha video went to. Many prophet of doom. Mr. Muncha video went to. Obi be wenche bia. Na wenu in Sri Lanka rade. Me bompa say enye the usual Ghanaian. Watch it. Some say munye. Dr. Manebuama. Make a galamse won some near dimatem. And also for Mufimo and on this note, galamse must stop. Exactly. And so mine any brew or galamse fight. A very sad situation.
Extremely sad.
Very sad situation.
Obi ne di watema ankabeti. I remember Jane Naa making speech bi. O making speech na o she nose mask. Nose mask no she no trouble colors. Ebeka say the ma me ne nteborofo. O be reply Ghana for. I don't dey what say. But accident we see. Ghana nyina adane abutu. Oba tell say oba atampa a oda yimu. Wo say wante. Nyame hu Ghana for mo. Obetu a kire wa adwene ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Accra.